Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce you to the folding hand truck and Dolly, a versatile and robust solution for all your moving needs. This portable cart boasts a remarkable 380-pound capacity, thanks to its high-strength steel and aluminum alloy construction, ensuring durability and strength for heavy-duty tasks. Its foldable design allows for easy storage in your car or home, and when unfolded, it extends to a comfortable height of 43 inches, making it perfect for various uses like shopping, business travel, or office tasks. Weighing just 13 pounds, this hand truck is lightweight and easy to carry, yet it doesn't compromise on stability, featuring a thickened steel pipe tie rod, an aluminum alloy base, and an elastic latex rope. The upgraded aluminum wheel frame and wear-resistant rubber tires provide excellent grip and support, making it a reliable choice for any situation. With no assembly required, this hand truck is simple to unfold or fold in seconds, making your tasks effortless and efficient. Whether you're moving boxes, delivering goods, or just need a reliable cart for everyday use, this folding hand truck is designed to adapt to your needs seamlessly. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.